my dear students, this is the continuation part of the HCF and LCM. In the previous video we have learnt about what is HCF and what is LCM. Now we are going to study the word problems of HCF and LCM. See here in the picture, examples are given. A shop sells a 450 gram bottle of jam for 96 rupees and a bigger bottle of 600 gram for 124 rupees. Which bottle is it more profitable to buy? Solution. We have learned the unitary method. Using that we can find the cost of 1 gram jam in each bottle and compare. However, the calculation is easier if we use a bigger common factor rather than a smaller one. Let us use 150, the HCF of 450 and 600 to compare. Now 450 equal to 150 into 3 and 600 equal to 150 into 4. Why is it given so? Because 150 into 3 is 450. Therefore, in this small bottle, 150 gram of jam cost 96 upon 3 equal to 32 rupees. 32. In the large bottle, 150 gram of jam cost 124 upon 4 equal to 31 rupees. Therefore, it is more profitable to buy the 600 gram of bottle. In the small bottle of jam, what is the cost of the small bottle? 32 rupees and the large bottle 31 rupees. Thus, it is more profitable to buy which bottle? 600 gram of bottle. Now, here example second is given. Add 17 upon 28 plus 11 upon 35. Method 1. You can do this method by fractions. Let us make the denominators of the fraction equal. We can make the denominators of the fractions equal also. This method we can also do. And second method is also given. Let us find the LCM of 28 and 35 in order to add the fractions. LCM equal to 7 into 4 into 5 equal to 140. Therefore, solution is given 17 upon 28 plus 11 upon 35. 17 into 5 and 20 into 5 is given plus 11 into 4 and 35 into 4 equal to 85 upon 85 plus 44 upon 140. These both totals are 140 and this we will multiply, then we will get our answers. So 85 plus 44 equal to 120 and upon 140, these are the answer. Taking the LCM rather than multiplying the denominators make our calculation so much easier. Next example is also given. On dividing a certain number by 8, 10, 12, 14, the remainder is always 3. Which is the smallest such number? We have to find the smallest number. So we can do this in this method also, and in this method also, vertical and horizontal method also. Find this multiple. Let us find the LCM of the given divisors. Here what is the LCM? How we have find out the LCMs? These two plus add last row. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3 into 7 is 840. So the LCM we add the remainder obtained every time. What we have add? The remainder is 3. So that number equal to LCM plus remainder. LCM what we have got? 840 plus 3 equal to 843. Now next example is also given. Find the LCM of the numbers. We have done the LCM before also, so I am not showing this to you. Always remember, if the greatest of the given numbers is divisible by the other numbers, then that greatest number is the LCM of the given numbers. So now we will solve practice set 14. Question number first. Choose the right option. The HCF of 120 and 150 is, what is the HCF of 120 and 150 is, I have written already for you all, 30. The HCF of this pair of number is not 1. Which is not 1? 13 and 17 is going in any table? No. 29 and 20 is going, but 29 is not going. So 40 and 20 is going, yes, but we have to take 1. This number is not 1, the remainder should not come 1. And 14, 15. Find the HCF. Question number 2. Find the HCF and LCM. In the previous lessons we have done, so I will show the only one example. Previous video. Sorry. 17 102 170. 17 1s are 17. 102 equal to 2 into 51. 3 into 17 is 51. And 170 is 2 into 85. 2 5 17s are 85. What we have got the HCF. What is the HCF? What is the common number in all three? 17 is the common number. So our answer of this of HCF will be 17. And LCM, what is the here common number is, first common is 2. If not common, then also we have to write 2. I have written 3, 5, and the common number is 17. 2, 3, 5 and 17. 2 into 3 into 5 into 17. We have get the answer 510. Find question number 3. Find the LCM 24, 40, 80, 120. Like this we have to solve. 2 12 is 24, 2 4 is 40, 2 40 is 80, 2 60 is 120, 2 6 is 12, 2 10 is 20, 2 20 40, 2 3 is 60, 2 3 is 6, 2 5 is 10, 2 10 is 20, 2 15 is 30. Now 5, 3 is not going, so 3 I will write as it is. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15. Now 3 1s are 3, 1 is remainder, 1 I will write at is 2 is not going, so I will write 2, 3 1s are 3. Now the LCM, what is the LCM of 24, 40, 80, 20 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3 into 2. I will not write 1 because 1 is common. So what I will get the answer 240. Find the smallest. Question number 4. Find the smallest number which when divided by 8, 9, 10, 15, 20 gives a remainder of 5 every time. Here the smallest number for division is LCM of 8, 9, 10, 15 and 20. So 8, in which table 8 goes? 2 into 2 into 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 9, 3 3 is 9, 10, 2 5 is 10, 15, 3 5 is 15 and 20, 2 2 is 4, 4 5 is 20. We can write 5 1s are 5, but we are not writing because these are the prime numbers. Now I have written all the numbers in one row and factorized it. So LCM of the given numbers, what is the LCM of the given numbers? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5, because here we will not take, because this is the one only. If we write 1, the answer will be same, 3 equal to 360. Therefore required smallest number, we have to find the required smallest number, so equal to HCM. LCM, what we have got the LCM? 360, and our remainder was, what is remainder? 5. So I will write 5 here. 360 plus 5 equal to 365. Therefore the required smallest number is 365. The remaining we will do in next video. Thank you.